Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Pierre, Simple Home Brew, reporting in, letting you know where I am, what I'm doing. I have a couple of projects on the go. I've got one, which is a Brick Road APA coming up. I also have been sent a repair kit for the iGulu. So they contacted me and asked me if I needed anything else. And I said, can you guys send me your latest brew kits? Well, they did. And I've got some beers to unbox as well, and I'll show you those. Explanation. This is what happened in the last few months. I have been very busy outside of brewing. I got sick, then I've become good, and of course you guys know that I have another channel called Pierre's Adventures that is climbing because of you guys. Thank you very much. And I've been traveling a bit. One thing I did do is repair an old VX Commodore I have, which is a red S-Pack that my wife wanted to keep, and she wanted me to repair it, so I've done that. And as I was doing it, of course, I put spray paint. Well, actually the can exploded in my kitchen, all over the furniture, all over the floor, and just made an absolute mess. You would have probably laughed your head off if you had seen it happening. Got it all onto the brewing barrel of my iGulu, but it's not going to affect it in any way. But iGulu contacted me and said, we have been having reports of high pressure fermenting in the lids. These guys, the little pressure valve isn't releasing early enough. So they said, look, would you like us to send you a new lid with the new updated pressure relief valve, PRV, at 225 PSI? And I said, oh, for sure, yeah, I'd rather have something that works, something that doesn't work well. So they sent me a box, and they said, do you want anything else while we're at it? And I said, yeah, send me a couple of your new recipes. And that's what they did. So I'll unbox it. I'll open it here in front of you. I have cut the cable. I haven't actually looked at it yet. This is the new lid, and what I've got is a German Pilsner, which I'll do after I repair this unit, and a German Helles. How about that? I was hoping to be in some sort of note, but there's no notes. German Helles, premium pure, perfect crafted every time, includes brewing ingredients and RFID card. So I'll be doing one of these today, as well as testing the new lid out for the iGulu. So I'll open it up. Now, the iGulu system is quite good, and of course a lot of you people say out there are other systems around, which there are. But this is the only company who reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to showcase it and use it. And I said yes. So, and I'm pretty rapt I did. It works a treat. Okay, so it's still the same old lid. Nothing's changed, except that my lid has paint on it. As you can probably see here, it looks quite good. So they've said that the relief valve has less. Oh yeah, you can feel the difference in the spring. Yeah. So that one's really light, and that one's really tight. Yeah, so it makes a big difference to the pressure it's fermenting at, but the whole thing is still the same, which is awesome. And they sent it to me free of charge as a replacement for the one that isn't working correctly. Good on you, iGulu. Thank you for that. So the other thing I would like to talk to you about is the Cascade Brick Road APA that I want to do. The idea of this, and what I like about it, is it's got the hops in the back, in the kit lid. It has yeast in it, all ready to go. It's a kit made up for brewing at home with a bit more of a hoppy flavour, bringing out a more of a dry hop system that you can do. I will be doing this one in the next few videos. I haven't got any sugars at the moment, so I have to go shopping. And I reckon we'll get a good beer out of it. By the look of it, it's a Cascade American Ale Yeast, Cascade Dry Hop, additional fermentables required, which is, what they say, 1.5 kilograms of sugars, and 30 grams of Cascade hops. So it sounds really good to me. So I'm really looking forward to doing this one, something new, something different. I got that from Valley Hydroponics and Homebrew. Thank you guys. I pay for it, of course. And yeah, so it's been pretty hectic. Also, if you don't know, there's a craft brewery in Traralgon called Goodland Brewing Company. Now, these guys have been great to me. They invited me over to their 3rd birthday celebration, and I couldn't go. I got sick. So I popped in and they kindly said, sorry couldn't make it. Here's a kit for you. I think there's 6 cans in here, maybe. I'm happy to just showcase these beers. This company is still coming up, and you're talking about or hearing about breweries closing down, shutting down everywhere around. This one is still growing, so it's really good to hear. Also, I'm going to just open it up with the knife here. I haven't been in here, but this is their birthday celebration beer, so I'm hoping to just present that. I'll quickly do an unboxing. And oh, look at that. This is their beer presentation. How good's this? It's got Citrus Mistress, Paperboy, Good Banks, Pekin, 120 shilling, and Co-Conspirators maybe? Brewing Company, Goodland. What's this one called? The Outsider Red Rye IPA. I'm going to do a few tastings on these and hopefully get somewhere with the out and about videos, because I haven't done a lot of them lately. So a couple of them are coming up. Got one coming up in Coongalla and another one coming up in Stratford. So hopefully that's the beginning of my out and about videos again. Also, I've got a collaboration coming up. CJ from Fair Drink and Brews is a new YouTube channel in Australia, has contacted me and asked me if I would like to do a brew with him and do a swap and a taste. So he's sending me some sugars, and I will be sending, and a beer maybe, and I will be sending him my finished product, and I'll film it all, and hopefully we'll interact and have a bit of action happening between two amateur brewers. So I'm looking forward to that one. Yeah, so sorry for the delay in making these beers and doing these videos. I've been quite busy outside of brewing. They're all coming back. We're going to be pretty busy in the next few months, so hopefully you guys can stick around and have a good look at the channel and see what you think. All right, thanks for stopping by, thanks for listening, and thank you to Patreon, of course. All you guys are great. You keep the money coming in so I can keep doing these. A lot of the brews I still have to pay for, a lot of beers I have to pay for. All the extracts I get and all the sugars and all the bits and pieces I need to brew, all paid for. I know the support in Patreon has really never covered everything I do, but it helps big time. Thank you very much for that support. Really appreciate it. All right, guys. Stick around for more new videos coming up soon. Also, guys, I have a brew program I want to show you. It looks like fun, and I'm going to film myself playing it and reacting to it, and I'm going to publish that soon, so that'll be a bit of fun too. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next brew. Cheers.